but you can cut on this run coming down here. You can cut across and like up onto this. I was trying to throw threes here.
Oh my god!
Fucking under the chair, of course.
Of course, you gotta,
it's the only place you
gotta
can
show
find
up
them.
to the fans. Oh, this is nuts. What's going on?
Shit, this is bright. Oh my god.
Whee!
I got my fucking low visors on. And you can actually come down here and cut like super hard left, but then you got to get up the hill on the other side. There's like a valley.
You got to bomb
and
it.
like I don't think I could make it.
Yeah,
You can see that white building there.
Yeah.
The cream building.
Yeah, you got to get up that.
You got to get up that.
That's whack. That's whack as shit.
So we'll bind up, we cut that way, and we'll fucking...
Yeah, cool. Oh, it's coming! It's coming for you. Ah, beautiful.
And then we're going to go onto that, and that comes to literally like right at the same spot as the Gondi. So then we can go down there, and then fucking jump on the Gondi and right back here.
You beauty.
Otherwise, it's like a 10-minute walk to get between them, because you got to go like down and around through the village.
Yeah. Get off it. Get out of it. A bloody ice rink, this one. Holy shit. Holy shit.
They know.
Yeah, they know. They know too much. Footrest!
Oh yeah, this is the footrest.
Oh! Oh! Is that how you meant to do it?
I do it sort of forward. Well, normally it's like one to each side, so it's a bit awkward with the pole between your legs.
Yeah, that's true, hey. That's fucking incredible, finally, bro.
Yeah.
Finally. Going down! You are here. Okay. Oh, you beauty. You bloody beauty. How good. I need a piss so bad again. I might have to. Chuck a whizzy wazzy.
Make sure you turn your GoPro off and people will get on.
That's a very, very good point, my friend.
Heaps of people going down through there.
That's all they got.
Yeah. Like Wednesday.
Cheers, mate. It's on, eh?
I can't see it from here. Yeah, you're on.
Hell yeah. You're on, bro. You're on, my guy. She's bumpy. Hey, woo! Yahoo! yes. My old friend.
We can either cut straight and it's the black, or we go right and it's like green, but it's pretty playful green.
Let's do playful, bro. I'm keen on a play rather than some mogly, blacky fucking... Oh, left is the green.
Right.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, nice.
Pretty choppy.
Hell yeah, bro.
I probably should have told you to keep it up there.
Yeah, I was trying to like...
And then I looked back and you were like behind me, I'm like, oh, he's not even going to hear me. But I was just looking at that was like pretty nice on a soft day.
True, hey, bro.
And you just come back down under this.
Nice. Oopa. On these heels. Yeah, little ganders. Oh, the moguls, bro. Good practice, though. Ah. Yeah, the skiers are just in their pants right now. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Phew.
Wow, this is like chopped to shit.
Ow. Oh, my calves hurt just looking at it. Ah.
Makes traversing much easier.
Oh yeah, good shout. Thing is now I'm like, how do I don't want to go and switch, I don't want to turn. Just traverse. Oopa. Same, we want to see what's here?
Yeah.
Looks clear. Yeah, bro, a little bit. Woo! Woo! Haha, you! It's my bro, yeah! Ha! Ah! You're good, you're good. Bit of powder. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, bro. Calves are pumped, no, already. Yeah, bro. I gotta ride switch. It doesn't help if you ride switch, it doesn't help. Oh. Happone, bro. What a not great mountain for snowboarders. I ain't gonna make that. Ew. That was fun as fuck.
That was fucking so tight.
Wow.
Oh man.
Holy moly. Well, I guess we go down, no? And just.
Yeah, the gondola is
on the right, hey, yeah. Mad.
Feeling it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Bit cleaner, a little bit cleaner. A little guilty. You dickhead! Holy shit! Wow, bro. That's a long run. Beautiful, beautiful day.